a ghost, and more than most of all my love's gone wrong. My mind is focused on the past and gone, where I have no control. My mind should be the way most people say that I should just move on. I can't forget the used to be I used to see, but now no more. I'm living in a fast life, and a past life too. Well, it's the kind of thing that catches up to you, and I guess I just believe that it's a thing to do. So here's a little feedback: you gotta wear your shoes. Said it would be easy. Sometimes it's hard to do. Love like isn't like the TV. You see the cold hard truth, and the things you see in movies just don't come true. So here's a little feedback: you gotta wear your shoes. Thank you.